Hello everyone, my name is Pradna Tavre. My presentation topic name is Google AdWords Tool, MCC Account, AdWords Editor. Firstly, we will see the content of the topic. Introduction to AdWords, Google AdWords Campaign Type, Google AdWords Definition, Google AdWords Tools, Google AdWords Advantages, Google AdWords Types, MCC Cooperation Client, MCC Account, and last is a Google AdWords Tool, Google AdWords Editor Tool. Introduction to AdWords. Google Ad is an online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers bid to display brief advertisement, service offerings, product listings, or video to web users. It can place ad both in the results of result engine like Google search and on non-website mobile apps and videos. Next is the Google AdWords campaign types. There are few types of campaign. First is search network with display selector. Second is search network only. Third is display network only. Fifth is shopping and last is online video. First, search campaign let you reach people while they're searching on Google for the products and services you offer. It great for driving sales, reroute traffic to your website as you can show your ad to customers actively searching for your products and services. Next is a display campaign. In a display campaign, let you reach people with usual engine ads as they browse across millions of websites and apps. Display is a great way to expand the reach of your search campaigns to other parts of web. Display also allows to you follow up with remarketing ads to new and existing customers. Next is shopping campaign. Shopping campaigns are ideal if you are a retailer looking to sell your products inventory. Shopping ads appear to search result and the Google Shopping tab. Store owner can also use local inventory ads to promote products available at your physical location. Next is a video campaign. In a video campaigns, let you show video ad on YouTube and other websites. Some video campaign types can help your booth journal awareness of your brand. Others are designed to drive conversion or get people to shop on your website. Next is Google AdWords definition. Google AdWords is a Google online advertising platform. In the Google AdWords is a product that you can use to promote your business, help sell product or services, raise awareness and increase traffic to your website. Next point is a Google AdWords tools. First is the account management tool. In the account management tool, help you view, edit and update your account efficiently. Second is keyword tool. In the keyword tool, provide resources for choosing effective keywords. Third is placement refinement tool. Enable to you optimize where your ad appear. Next is a bid and budget management tool. It helps you make the most of your advertising budget, either by saving your time or providing insight into what you should bid for your advertising. Next is a ad creation tool. In this ad creation tool, enable you to create customized ads to promote your business. And last one is a troubleshooting tool. It helps you figure out how to solve issues that come up in your account. For example, using the disappeared ads filter helped you quickly and the update ads that aren't running for your policy reason. Next point is Google advantages. First is reach people searching for what you offer. Second advantages is control your budget. Third is measurable, accountable, flexible. Next is cost effective. Next maximum response. Next highly target. And last is a remarketing. These are the Google AdWords advantages. Next point is a Google AdWords ad types. Following are the types of Google AdWords. First is the search, text ad on Google search result. Next is display. In the display image ad on website on or Gmail. Next is video ads on YouTube. Next shopping, product listing on Google. And the app your app promote on many channels. And next is the smart, simplified automated ads on Google and across the web. And last is the local, drive customer to a physical location. Next point is a mutual corporate client MCC account. In a account structure is bank to bank agreement. Client signs with BOMA directly. Next point is documentation form. Your client signed a mutual corporate client MCC authorization. Next, for clients signed to appropriate BOMA service agreement. Next is a implementation form. In this implementation form, submitted either using paper with via email or mail, you complete the appropriate BMA implementation for gathering input for your client. Next is a credit risk control. Your client operate on a pre-funded or via credit lines curved from your BMO. Next is information reporting. Your client has access to real-time information online. Online banking for business is slated for a private level and single sign-on capability in upcoming releases. Next is a Google AdWords Editor Tool. In this Google AdWords Editor is a free downloadable application managing your AdWords advertising campaigns. Next is the purpose of Google AdWords Editor Tool. First one is a can make bulk changes in offline. Second is export and import file to share proposal. Next is a view statistics to all campaign, and last is a copy move items between ad group and campaign. Thank you.